ओम. कमलाकांत सावतारी, अध्यक्ष गोमंतक गोसेवक महासंघ. आज आमच्या गोशाळेच्या ह्या कार्याक आणि स्थापनेक 9 वर्सां पूर्ण जाता आणि ह्या 9 वर्साच्या कारकिर्दीन अनेक गोसेवक, गोभक्त, गोप्रेमी आणि तमाम सगळे लोक जे आसा तेंच्यांनी ही गोशाळा व्हडली जावची म्हणून खूब अहोरात्र प्रयत्न केले आणि आयच्या ह्या क्षणाक ह्या गोशाळे कडेन 4,500च्या वयर आपली गोवंश जो आसा तो हांगासर सुखान नांदता सगळ्यांच्या सहकार्यान. ही गोशाळा चलयता आसतना सरकारी अनुदान तशेंच गोभक्त यांच्यांनी मोठो हातभार जो आसा तो लायलो, जेणे करून ही गायी गोवंश जो आसा तो आयज वेवस्थीत हांगासर नांदतना सगळ्यांक आमकां पळोवपाक मेळटा. हांव ह्या माध्यमांतून सांगूंक सोदता की सगळ्यांनी हे गोशाळेक भेट दिवची आणि गोशाळेचें कार्य जें आसा तें कार्य सगळ्यांनी फुडें व्हरचें अशें हांव सगळ्यांक विनंती करता.
Good morning. I'm Dr. K. Miller, Medical Officer, Kola Blood Bank of Goa Medical College. We are here today on the Founders Day of Sikeri Goshala. From the Goa Medical College Blood Bank, the entire team has come here to have a blood donation camp. We are having a very good response presently. We are expecting around 40 donors today. We encourage people to have such camps because till today blood is not produced in machines. It is as you donate, this blood goes to blood bank and we prepare components. Your 1 unit of blood helps around 3 to 4 pictures. We prepare pack cells, fresh frozen plasma, platelet concentrated, cryopreservated. So one donation of 350 ml helps 3 to 4 lives to be served. And it's only with such donations, such voluntary camps, that blood bank can maintain a good stock of all blood groups. Because when there is an emergency and a patient is brought to the hospital requiring blood, relatives and friends of course come in much later. At that moment, if blood bank has that particular blood group, even the rare blood is the Rh negative blood group, it is being released. So these donors who are donating voluntarily are actually our superheroes who are saving lives they don't even know. Studies have also shown that when you donate like this regularly, a person who was donated today, a man can donate again after 3 months, and a lady can donate again after 4 months. So when they donate regularly from a young age, they can donate from the age of 18 to or 60. Regular donors till 65 can donate blood. Such regular donations have found scientifically that it is good for the heart. A person who is donating regularly has less chances of heart attacks and pressure problems later. So we encourage people, come forward, donate. It doesn't cost you anything. It is a great blessing. Come forward, donate. Share your experience with others, because donations are such just 3 minutes. It's an antibiotic prick. In 3 minutes, this 350 ml is out. And we ask the donor to sit with us for 10 minutes, have a nice refreshment and leave. We should be welcome all. Whenever you're passing by, there's a blood donation camp. If you have had a good breakfast or a good meal, slept well at the previous night, feeling fine on the day of donation, please come forward and donate. We give you a card which you can use anytime in your life once in Pune Government Blood Bank or Goa. 3 government blood banks at Goa Medical College, the North and South Goa District Hospital. So please, we accept cards whenever for replacement you have to donate blood. We accept cards on such that card can be used anytime in your life once. So we encourage you to come forward and donate blood and experience what donation is. Share your experience with others. Decide to donate at least once a year.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.